Hi, welcome families. We're going to be learning Lesson 21, Session 1 today, exploring adding within 10. Now, before we've added within 5, so we're going to do a warm-up there. Go ahead and get your math cubes ready because I'm going to be doing mine on the computer for you while you add with your cubes, and we will check our work together. I'm going to use my yellow and red computer cubes today. And first, we're going to add 3 plus 2. So I'm going to use 3 yellow cubes. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to use 2 red cubes to add to my yellows. And then we're going to count all the cubes together to see how many there are total. Okay, so go ahead and find your 3 yellow cubes and 2 red cubes. And let's see how many we have all together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Excellent job. So let's do the next one. 1 plus 3 equals blank. All right, so I want you to see if you can find the answer before I do. 1 plus 3 equals... Does yours look like mine? How many cubes did you find all together now? Excellent. You should have 4. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. All right. So now 4 plus 1. Get your cubes, and I want you to show me what 4 plus 1 looks like. All right. You have 4 yellow cubes and 1 red. How many do you have all together? Excellent. You should have 5 cubes. And finally, the last warm-up problem, 2 plus 1. All right, 2 plus 1 equals? Very good, 3. All right, if you got all of your answers to look like mine, I want you to kiss your brain. And we're going to move on to something a little bit harder today. We're going to be working in Seesaw, and we're working on exploring adding within 10. So now we're going to get into some higher numbers, okay? So I want you to work in your Seesaw page at the same time as mine. You can have them up on both screens so you can listen to the lesson and will work. And what you're going to do is we're going to be drawing as best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm still working on this thing too. So what we're going to do is add today. I'm going to use a big pen. And we're going to listen to some story problems and make addition statements for them, okay? So 4 children are sitting at a table. 2 more children join them. How many children are sitting at the table now? So my problem says that there are 4 children. I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to start with my yellow. I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 children sitting at the table. And then it said 2 more children sit down to join them. Okay, so how many are at the table now? Now I'm going to use my pencil to write. I'm going to use a dark color to write with. And it says 4 children sat at the table and 2 more joined them. And we can use our picture now to count how many children sat at the table all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Awesome. Now I want you to click to your second page. I'm going to give you 2 more problems, okay? So first thing I want you to do is draw a big old line down the middle. It's not going to be perfect. Miss Torres isn't perfect either. Okay, so we're going to have one problem here and another problem here, okay? Okay, so listen to this problem here. There are 3 children at a table. 4 more children join them. How many children are at the table now? Okay, so we're going to start by drawing our 3 children at the table. And then it said 4 more children join them. Okay, so now we have our picture, and we're going to write our statement. 3 children at the table plus 4 more to join them. Altogether, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 children. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay. On this side, the next story says 3 children are sitting at the table and 2 children are standing at the table. How many children are at the table in all? Well, we still started with 1. Let's get your yellow. 1, 2, 3 children sitting at the table, and 2 children are standing at the table. So when we write it as an equation, we start with the 3. Goodness, I can't see that. 3 children sitting plus 2 children standing, and all together we have 5 children. Okay? Turn to click on your 3rd page, and now it wants us to show 3 examples of an addition equation. You can use numbers, you can use words, you can use pictures. So I'm going to show you 2 examples, and then I want you to fill in the 3rd on your own. So if at any time you need to pause the video, make sure you do that, okay? So I'm going to do numbers. 2 plus 5 equals, I have 2 fingers and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So if I count all my fingers together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know that 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now I can even draw some pictures and say 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, and all together, I still want a darker color, I keep doing that. 3 plus 3 equals 6. I can go back and count all my dots and it shows 6. So I even showed pictures and numbers on this one. So I do want you to show me an example all on your own here. Pause the video if you need time to do that, or you can go back later. Page 4, we're going to hear 2 more problems. So I want you to go ahead and divide that page into 2 again. I'm going to start these problems with you, but I do want to see that you can write an equation to go with the story, okay? So I'll show you the pictures, but I want you to do the writing on your own, okay? We're going to be talking about some dogs at a dog park. So there's a cute little puppy here for you. And on this side, your problem is there are 5 dogs at a park. 1, let's make this a bit bigger. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more dogs join them. 1, 2. How many dogs are at the park? So I want you to turn this picture into an addition statement here. Pause the video if you'd like to go ahead and do that now. And if you'd like to do it at the end, I'm going to go ahead and do the next problem. On this side, 4 dogs are at the park on leashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dogs are not on leashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dogs are at the park in all? So I want you to take this picture, take this picture and turn it into an addition statement here. Once you have finished everything there, you are going to submit your work. All right, see you later.